In the last 30 years, recycling has become a common occurrence. From recycling bins in homes, stores, and airports to materials sporting the words reduce, reuse, recycle. Recycling is evolving, and we can now recycle more kinds of plastic than ever before, using innovation, chemistry, and educating the public.
So one of the responsibilities we have as a plastics producer is to provide materials that are both convenient and engineered that enhance our lives. Part of that process of responsibility now is to take those materials, collect them, recycle them, and turn them back into products that they originally were formed as. And that's what the definition of circular recycling is.
It's imperative that we find new ways to recycle polystyrene because we need to be good stewards of the planet for future generations. With the advanced recycling system, we can take a styrofoam cup and convert it back to the base materials, and that's what's so exciting about this. Because you can go into food grade, you can go into valuable end markets, we can keep using the materials over and over, and the demand on fossil fuels will be significantly less.
Polystyrene plastic is used every day in essential products like medical equipment, food packaging, home appliances, and single-use supplies. Finding ways to expand polystyrene's life cycle is critical to keeping it out of our landfills and in our lives.
Polystyrene is an interesting material. It's been in use for 70 or 80 years and is still widely used today in products that impact your life on a daily basis, such as the delivery of medicines and vaccines, food preservation products, and to the refrigerator that you use every day.
The circular recycling process for polystyrene starts with taking a waste polystyrene material. Then technology depolymerizes this waste polystyrene into a valuable mixed styrenic liquid.
This mixed styrenic liquid is then used to make products like food-grade material. Polystyrene plastics are needed every day. The world is changing, and these plastics can now be recycled continuously. AmSty and its partner Regenyx have created the world's first commercial-scale circular recycling facility, Regenyx, leading the way to keep plastics out of our landfills. With millions of pounds of plastics like foam cups, silverware, foam packaging supplies, and other single-use plastics recycled so far. The plastics recycling system is evolving, and AmSty is leading the industry to help create a more sustainable life cycle for plastics.
In 2019, Regenyx and AmSty formed a JV called Regenyx. The purpose of that JV is to run a commercial demonstration unit in Tigard, Oregon. That demonstration unit takes waste polystyrene and converts it back into monomer, which we then convert back into the original products for polystyrene use. This demonstration unit has been running successfully now for 3 years and converted millions of pounds of waste polystyrene back into the original monomer, which we've converted into polystyrene products as they originally intended to be used.
One of the ways that the community best supports us here is to bring their waste plastics to our facility. That starts the beginning of the circular recycling process for polystyrene. We as a company also work with local retailers to participate in take-back programs. What this allows for is more accessibility for customers to bring their waste plastics.
Plastics are an important part of our lives. Utilizing circular recycling and other innovative solutions, AmSty is finding ways for plastics to serve their purpose sustainably and responsibly.
It's an exciting process that we're getting involved in. We're bringing the post-consumer waste from the appliance or food service where people do drop-offs from the curbside. Then from there, we're working with our customers, the processors, and the food companies to have them begin specifying material that comes from the Regenyx plant. And this will help bring us to our goal of 30% post-consumer recycle in all of our packaging grades by the year 2030.
AmSty is committed to the development of advanced recycling through our facility in Regenyx, and we feel that's the solution for circular recycling, delivering the products that you use today, disposing of them correctly and recycling them, and then returning them to their original use.
At AmSty, we're committed to sustainable innovation, and sustainable innovation means a better life and a cleaner planet for future generations.
All polystyrene products are continuously recyclable. AmSty is advancing the plastics recycling system.